So I just want to show you guys a new program I've been working on. It's called Full Math. This is basically like a remake of my old math program. If you guys didn't watch that old video, you should go watch it right now. just so spoiler alert, you'll see similar things. Anyways, let's just get on with it. So how about 30 times 3? Technical difficulties. Okay, I got it working. So it turns out I had accidentally changed one character from an R to an A, and it broke everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this out anyways. So 255 minus 253, which is 2. And yeah. So just a disclaimer here, if you do oh shoot, okay. Wait a minute. 1 point plus 254, you will get that. Now this is kind of weird. It's a weird system because there is no negatives. You can't input any negatives. And there's also the tens place that doesn't, I couldn't find a way to go for it to go away without like making it go over 256 bytes. So yeah. Anyways, this thing has a bunch of different functions. You could do 36 divided by 6, which equals 6, and then you could 255, which is -1, plus 9, which is 8. And yeah, it's pretty nice, to be honest. The previous version of math, you couldn't import negatives or have any number over 10, or have the output be any number over 10, but I was working on a bunch of converters into hex, text to hex, whatever, and then I was able to implement all that into this system, and that's what we have right here. A full-fledged math program, a full math program. And yeah, let's just try out the multiplication. Let's do 8 times 10, which is 80. Of course it is. And then 9 times 9, and yeah, you got it. Pretty cool stuff. 1 minus 40, and you have -39. Pretty cool. Now you guys can go tell me what you think of this in the comments, but let me just bring up one of the converters, some of the converters I've been working on. I mean, I've worked on. Oh yeah, this was my first converter right here. It's a relatively smaller program, but all this is just converters. So yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead. Let's do this. Now, this converts ASCII into integer. So yeah, let's try it. U 117, L 18, G 13, and you know what, hold on, let me bring up converter. As you can see, U is 117, right? And R is 114, which is 114 right there. And then I 15. If you try I, oh, it's 105. Wait, hold on. Okay, so yeah, this was the problem I was talking about. It would get rid of the 0 here, because whenever it counters a 0, it skips to the next one. That is why the tens place on the full math program always has a 0 in the tens place. So yeah, I'll just do the same thing here. Now if we do I 105, J 106, so yeah, it works pretty well. Alrighty, now let's try hexadecimal time. Lego. Now this does not have the problem with the hundredths and tens place, because it only has 2 places for 8-bit stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's try I. Oh my goodness, this was unintentional. I did not mean to do this, but anyways, T74. Do T74 right there, and then let's do a U75 and U75. What if I try something different? What if I try tilde, which is a 7E, tilde 7E, and yeah, that's basically this one. Now let's move on to the last one, and this was basically a test of mixing converters, input converters and output converters, whatever. But anyways, yeah, let's try it. All right, I got it. And then this, say hello to the integer to hexadecimal converter. 255 is FF, 40, 28, 100, 64, and yeah. So you have to add a 0 and whatever. Like if you do, you have to do 0 to 3 in order to do all that stuff. Just because of how this thing works, it's really hard to make it so that you could just put one number and then yeah. Anyways, let's bring up a converter. All right, I have a converter here, and 255 is indeed FF, and then 40. Oh, whoops, 40 is indeed 28. 100 is 64, and 3 is 3. Pretty nice, in my opinion. Anyways, that is all for this program, my array of programs and whatever. And you might have noticed that there was a problem with the hex display right here, where it would just show random numbers, like during the Taylor series and fixed point math. I have no idea what causes that, and I've only seen it in the fixed point programs. So, is there something mysterious going on? I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what you thought of these programs, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.